What's the meaning of bitumen? Bitumen. Bitumen.
Bitumen. Bitumen. Bitumen is a semi-solid, highly viscous form of petroleum. It is also known as asphalt or tar and is primarily used in the construction industry for paving roads, waterproofing roofs, and sealing joints. Bitumen is formed from the remains of ancient marine organisms, which have been subjected to intense heat and pressure over millions of years. It is typically black or brown in color and has a distinct odor. In addition to its uses in construction, bitumen also has industrial applications, including in the production of paints, adhesives, and electrical insulation. Despite its numerous practical applications, the extraction and use of bitumen can also have negative environmental impacts.